Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open your iPhone and unlock it with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Open Settings and tap Personal Hotspot near the top of the list. The Wi-Fi password field shows the current hotspot password immediately and visibly. If you want a different password, tap the password field, type a new string, and then tap Done. Changing it disconnects devices using the old password until they rejoin with the new one. Unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app from the app drawer. Tap Network and Internet, then tap Hotspot and Tethering, and finally tap Wi-Fi Hotspot. The password field displays the current hotspot password in plain text or after tapping an eye icon. To set a new password, edit that field and save. The phone enforces the change immediately, and any device using the old password will need the new one to reconnect. On a Mac, open System Settings and choose Network, then Wi-Fi, and click Advanced. Select a saved network, check Show Password, and authenticate with your admin password. On Windows, open an elevated command prompt and run netwlan, show profiles name equals SSID key equals clear to display the key content for your profile. Use these methods only for networks you own or have permission to manage, and never attempt to access passwords on devices or networks you do not control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.